Hi, Ron from Clarity. This video will be a quick showcase of a Payment Hub solution we did for our client Aquasol, delivering an invoicing portal to their clients while integrated with their NetSuite instance. To start, we're in development, so the only branding we've done so far is to upload their logo. Next, let's log into the portal. One of the customizations we've done for our client is to enable all the different social single sign-on options. I happen to be logged into our developer's Google account, so I'll authorize using Google. Once in the portal, there are a handful of customizations we've done. The first is to add an account filter. This client services all the swimming pools for JW Marriott hotels and the like, so each of their clients will have many different invoices for many different locations, which they call accounts. So I filter for my test Clarity location 2 and hit filter, and I can view, pay, and export all of the invoices associated with that specific location. Pretty handy. Also on the home screen, we've added a due date range filter, so it would be quick and easy to filter all invoices due this week and pay them in one single payment. Adding a second location filter would allow me to view and pay all invoices for location 3 that are due this week. So you can see the power of the filters pretty easily. Now let's take a quick look at our account settings. In my digital wallet, I've entered a credit card, but I can also have ACH and credit accounts as well. The address book can store the billing addresses for each of the cards in the wallet. And finally, I have my account and personal profile tabs. Let's go look at an invoice. I click on View on the first invoice, and it brings me into a detailed view, which shows me the details about the invoice, the billing location, and if applicable, shipping information. It also displays the actual items that were ordered and being paid for in the invoice. Finally, I've got a transaction area where I can view every payment and transaction ID for this invoice. If we go back out and click on Pay Invoices button, it searches all invoices from the filter view looking for any invoice with an outstanding balance and creates a consolidated payment ready to pay those off. In our example, it found 4 outstanding invoices and allowed me to select only the invoices I want to pay and the amounts that I want to pay to make in this consolidated payment. By the way, allowing partial invoice payment helps our clients get paid faster, but it is optional if you want only full invoice payments as your default. To actually make a payment, let's go back into that first invoice and click on Make a Payment. It loads the outstanding balance of $7, of which I'm going to make a quick payment of 50 cents. I keep my default card, type in my CVV. After clicking Submit, it's going out to our processor and processing our payment. It will provide me with the real-time update to the payment. In this case, it was successful. Clicking OK will refresh the page and show that my 50 cent was applied to my $7 invoice, making an updated balance due of $6.50. Now for this installation, I've had the developer turn off the automated processing of the payments posting to NetSuite so I can show you how the payments and invoices are bidirectionally synced between NetSuite and the customer portal. You can see in our Connect log, there's a full log of all transactions recorded. But I'm going to head over to the Recurring Jobs tab and manually run our Sync Payments from PayHub to NetSuite job. If I head over to the Jobs processing queue, I can catch the job running right now. Drilling in, we can see that it's syncing payment 40, the idea we received from NetSuite, and we can see that we've successfully pushed our payment with its associated ID into NetSuite. To validate and show the payment details, back in the payment portal, I'll copy the ID of the invoice that I made a payment on, head over to NetSuite and search for that invoice. Clicking on the invoice and on the Transactions tab, I can view all of the payments made on this invoice, and here at the top, I can see my 50 cent payment that I just made. One final customization I want to show you from the payment portal is the ability to export any and all invoices. Once I've filtered my view, for example, all invoices for location 2 over the last quarter, I can then click on Export Invoices. It allows me to select the name and location for the exported file. Once done, I'll click on the file to open it up, and you can see here the summary export data from my filtered invoices have been exported, so I could use these to import into my reporting tool, QuickBooks, ERP, or accounting software easily. So that's a quick demo of Payment Hub with customizations integrated with NetSuite for our client Aquasol. Thanks for watching.